Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 16th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the go again. I mean, the trend is definitely up on the monthly, weekly, and daily, which means for me personally, I am definitely still only looking for longs in an uptrend. Now, if price does go down and give us a break of structure on the 1 hour time frame, we should assume that that move down is nothing more than a pullback to the uptrend. But for now, I mean, I definitely would be looking for longs. I mean, this thing could literally go down, make another higher low, make another higher low, and just keep on going up, especially because we're not even at a daily time frame Fibonacci level. So the trend is definitely up. I personally am definitely looking for longs in an uptrend. Even if we do get a break of structure to the downside, the first thing I would do is put my Fibonacci retracement on the last push up, and I would still be looking for longs unless the daily time frame breaks down. As long as the daily time frame doesn't break down, I will continue to look for longs every single chance I get. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.